Hello, it's that time of year again. We're going to be doing the Junior Math Challenge. So yeah, it's for England Wales Year 8 and below. Now, you're meant to get an hour. I'm going to see how much I can do in 30 minutes. Don't think I'll be able to do all of it, but should definitely be able to give it a good go. So let's just get going. So 3, 2, 1, and go. While the timer is starting. Half of 10% of 20 is 1. Value of this, well, you can take out the 1, 1, 1, 1, and then it's 4 plus 5 over 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 2, so it's 9 over 3, so it's 3. How many of these are factors of 2025? Okay, I should have done my research and done my factors of 2025. 0, 4, 405. Okay, so I should have just divided by all of these. Well, 405 divides by 5. I think that's 81. 405 is 81. So we've got 3 to the power of 4 times 5. So I can make this. Times 5 squared. So I can make this. I can't make this. Oh no, that I can. That's 3 times 5, that's 5 times 5. 225 is 15 times 15, isn't it? Yeah, so all of them. 5. Should have known that. Okay. 100-mile Barclay Marathon in Tennessee. I finished time 59 hours. How many seconds? So 2 minutes. Oh no, 1 minute. So that's 60 plus 39, 99. 39 plus 60. Cool, very impressive. Equilateral triangle, what's the angle of RPT? 45, 6 minus 45 is 15. We're speeding. Okay, so the local 25-meter pool, we said 4 minutes, same amount of time, that's 3. Carol. So Carol to Sandra is 4 to 3, so that's 36 to 12, 48, and then it's 48 times 25, which is 24 times 50, which is 12 times 100, 1,200. What's the difference between the smallest 4-digit multiple of 3 and the largest smallest 4-digit multiple of 3 is 1, 0, 0, 2. The largest 3-digit multiple of 4, that's 9, 9, 6. So what's the difference? 6. Yeah, 102, 1002 is the smallest 4-digit multiple of 3, and that's the largest 3-digit multiple of 4. Yeah. Country don't have to do the metal, Switzerland, the answer 8.8. So this is 8,800 divided by 100. So it's 88. Okay. All four digits of 2 two-digit numbers are different. Well, there's multiple of sum. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Oh no, wait, we can have zeros. So make that a 0, and then we've got 33. The length of a turtle is 60 plus a third. Oh, classic. 60 plus x over 3 equals x. So 60 plus a third of its length is the length. So 2/3 of x equals 60. X is 90. The consecutive one-digit positive integer are a square, a cube, and a prime. A square. Cube. Yes, that's a cube. Wait, what am I doing here? A square, cube, and a prime. Those. And what's the product of them? What's 56 times 9? 560. 504. Okay, 2 identical squares overlap. 12 times, okay, so that should be 24. So there's a 3 overlap. 3 9, and 9. So 3 times 12 is 36. The first has height 10 and width 13. Okay, so what we're doing, this is 10. Oh wait. And this is 13. And it's 2 centimeters higher. So here we've got 10 n, no. And this is going by 1. Sorry, this is going up by 2, and this is going up by 1. So will they ever be the same? So we've got 12 and 14, we've got 14 and 15, we've got 16 and 16. So there'll be 1 at 16, 16, and then no others. Yeah, 16, 16 will be, and none of the others will be. Okay, then I've got Gil has a baby girl. What? 8 pounds 13 ounces. 16 ounces in a pound. So this is 8 times 16, which is 160 minus 32. 128. So we've got 128 plus 13, 141 ounces. 1 ounce is approximately 28 grams. So 141 times 20, I could have done it times 30 to be honest, but 8, yeah, let's do it times 30. So that's 31423, so it's about 4 kilograms. Ooh, I'm not sure about that. What's the sum of 20% of 40% of 60 and 40%? Oh, this looks cool. So we've got 2/10 of 4/10 of 60 plus 4/10 times 6/10 times 80. Oh, this is nice. So 8 over 10 times 6 plus wait, I mean, I should just work this out. Let's just work this out. Okay. 40% of 20% of 60 is 12, 40% of 12, 40% of 12 is 1.2. 1.2 times 4 is 4.8. I could just times it by 10. And then 40% of 6% of 80 is, so that's 6% of 80 is 8 times 6, which is 48. 4.8 plus 4 times. So we've got 5 times 4.8. 24? Huh, wait, I definitely messed that up. 60% of 40 is 48. 40% of that is 4 times 4.8. Yeah, okay, 24. 3 pairs of panel. How many triangles are there in the diagram? Okay, so 1, and then 2, 3, 4. Okay, we've got one big, then we've got 1, 2 of the smaller ones, and then that one, and then that one, and then that one, and that one. Okay, well 7's definitely wrong. How do you do that? Do you just count them? 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Probably 8. Okay, 1, and then 2, and then 3. 2, and then 3, and then 4, 4, and then 5, and 6, and then 7. Is it just 6? Oh, yeah, that could be wrong. Second has exactly 9 factors between 1 itself. The number has 9 and 12. Okay, so it's got 3 squared times, and then another, and a 2 squared. 3 times 3. Oh wait, this has exactly 9 factors. 3 squared times 2 squared. That's 36. 10 cards. 4 display the letter P, 3 display Q. Wait, what? We've got 4P, 3Q, 2R, 1S. He's got 3 3s, 2 1s, 3 4s, and 4 2s. So every pairing is different. Okay, so it's got P, 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 Q, 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 R, R, S. So each pairing is different. Okay, so he needs to put a 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. So we've got rid of this, and now we've only got 1 of these, 3 of these, and 2 of these. Then he needs to put a 3. Nope, I've done this wrong. He's got, okay, I get this now. He's got 1 3, 2 1s, 3 4s, and 2 3 4 2s. Okay, so he has to use a 1 2 3 4 here. So 1 2 3 4. Then he has to do a 1 2 4. Then he has to do a 4 2. And he has to do a 2. So what's not shown? P2 is, R4 is, Q1 is, R2 is, S4 is not. Okay. Now order on a straight line. So that is P, Q, R, S. PR is 6, QS is 4, and R is 1 nearer to S than it is to Q. So this is X, this is X plus 1. Okay, so 2X plus 1 is 4, so X is 1.5, so that's 1.5. PS is 7.5. Let's try that again. It's 1 centimeter nearer, so whatever this distance is, this is 1 bigger. Okay, cool. We are speeding. In this diagram, they're squares. Each corner is 1/3 of the way along. So that's 2 to 1. 2 to 1. 1 to 2. 2 to 2. What's the ratio of the area of the square? Okay, so the whole thing is 9. And this guy, well, each of these has an area of 1, 1, 1, 1. So this has an area of 5. So it's 5 to 9. We are speeding. Okay, it has 12 bags of sweets. Some bags contain 3 mints, 4 toffees, and a fudge. Okay, some bags contain 3 mints and 4 toffees and a fudge. Some amount plus 4 mints plus 5 toffees plus 2 fudge. Some amount of those. The remaining bags contain 6 mints each. Oh, no, 6 mints and x plus y plus z is 12. The bags contain 31 toffees in total. Okay, so 40x. 31 toffees. How do I get to 31? I could do... Oh wait, and we need to make 12. Okay, so... Oh, why is that F? So let's say I've got 4 of these. Wait, there's no toffees in this one. Wait, there's no toffees here. So I think I need 3 of these. Oh no, wait, but there's 12 bags. Oh, but wait. I need 3 of these. 3 Ys. And 4 of those. And then 5 of those. Is that the only way to make it? I think it probably is. So that means Z7 is 5. So what's the question? How many fudges the band contains? So the X is 4, so there's 4 fudges here, there's 6 fudges here, and there's 15 fudges here, so it's 25. Okay. The map shows 3 towns and roads between them. So let's write that down here. So I've got R, Q, P. The route from P to Q is twice, so P to R, that route is X. P to R via Q, that's 2X. The route from P to Q via R okay, 1 second. Not like this. Let's call this A, B, and C. And we can say 2A equals B plus C, because those two are twice as big as the direct route from P to R. And then P to Q via R, so A plus B, is 3 times as long, equals 3C. What could be the length of route from P back to P? So what's A plus B plus C? Okay, so if I add these together, I get 2A, no, I get 3A so wait, 2A minus B minus C equals 0. A plus B minus 3C equals 0, and we want to know what A plus B plus C is. So if I add these together, I get 3A minus 4C equals 0. So 3A equals 4C. So A is 4/3 of C. So that is 4/3 of C. Okay, so now I've got 8/3 of C equals B plus C, and also 4/3 of C plus B equals to 3C. So I've got 5/3 of C equals to B. So we've got 4/3 of C plus... Oh wait, but I'm just working out what I know. Hold on a moment. What could be the total length? So it needs to be divisible by 3 and 4. Oh, I don't know what to do. Okay, let's leave it, come back to it. I need to divide by a positive integer n, the remainder is 5. So that's going to be n times k plus 5 equals 175. Because whatever I divide it by, I think it's, oh no, it's 180. So I mean nk is 175. So is it how many factors does How many ways can I make 175? That's 5 times 0, 3, 35. So it's 5 and 7. So it's 5 squared times 7 to the 1. So there's 6 ways of making 175. So maybe it's 6 because it's 175, but then any factor of 175 will also give a remainder of 5. So for example, if I divide it by 5, no, that's not true at all. If I divide it by 1, it definitely doesn't give me, neither if I divide it by 5. Okay, so this logic is wrong. Okay, let's do some other divisions. You can't divide it, if I go 1, 2, 3, can't divide it by 3. If I divide it by 4, no, it divides by 4, it divides by 2, obviously it divides by 1, it divides by 5. It's something to do with the fact it's 175 add 5. So if I divide it by 175, obviously I get that. And then I need factors of 175 that are not factors of 180. That's what I need. So this was 5 times 35. So it's 5 times 7 times 5. So those factors, yeah, this is right. Because if I divide it by 7, let's just check that. It doesn't feel right. 0, 2 remainder, 4. Yeah. Okay, so here we've got 5, no, but we've got 25 definitely, 175 definitely, 35 definitely, 7 definitely, so there's 4. Okay, cool. Yeah, 7, 35 doesn't go into 180, 75 doesn't, 25 doesn't, but the other ones all do. Okay. Given a cube, how many equilateral triangles are there whose vertices are 3 vertices of the cube? Whoa, I've got no idea. Seems like the answer would be 0, but I don't know. But then why would they ask that? Let's say go there. Oh, it's this. So that's 1. And then I could also do okay, so from this point there's 2, because I could also do this and this, and then from this point there's 2, that and that, from this point there's 2, and from this point there's 2. Yeah, because here I could go bang. From here, I'm going here, 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 which I haven't done before. So there's 8. Cool. Could have got that wrong as well. Not sure. Got 6 minutes to do question 23 and also question 17. Okay. There's a better way to do this, but systematically we've got the smallest one, we've got that guy, which is 1. Then when I go up a layer, I've got 1, 2, 3, yeah, and then bigger than that, I've got 4, 5, and then 6. I'm going 6. Going 6. Now, finally, we've got this one. I've got 5 minutes. Okay, let's look what I did here. So, we've got P to R via Q, so A plus B plus C is what we're trying to find. P to R, that should be an A. P to R via Q is twice as big as 2A. Then P to Q via R, A plus B, is 3 times as big as the direct root, with the following to be the length of the root of all 3. So I've got 2A plus B, 2A equals B plus C. I've got A plus B equals 3C. And I've got, I want to know this guy. So A plus B is a multiple of 3. And C is, A plus B is a multiple of 3. Then I'm adding something else. B was 5/3 of C. Got that down here. I think it's multiples. Like, can it be a multiple of 5? Don't know. Don't know. And I'm very warm. I'm going to cap it there. Okay, I'm going to pause it. 27 minutes to do the whole paper minus 1 question. It's pretty good going. We're going to pause it. We're going to get the answers up. We're going to see how I did. Okay, we got the answers. Let's go. Let's see how many silly mistakes I made, because guaranteed it's a lot, because it's very warm. Okay. A, E, A, C, D, 8, B, 10, D, 11, E, 12, B, 13, B. Oh my god, I didn't do this question. I just missed out. Okay, let's try quickly now. What? Okay. Which of these is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 plus 4 times 4 times 4 plus 5 times 5 times 5? I mean, 125 plus 64 plus 27 is 1256427. I think I would have time. In fact, let's crank the minutes back. Let's see if I can do this in 3 minutes. 9, 16, 11, 216, which is 8 cubed. No, it's 6 cubed. Oof, okay. Let's see if I got that right. 14 is A. Yeah, cool. Well, weird. 15B, 16C, 17. Yeah, I knew I tweaked. Yeah. Missed out 2. I knew it. That's the one I thought I would. 18B, 19E, 20B, 21B, 22D, 23. Equation 1, x actually is 3x, and it's 4y. Oh my god, I said multiple of 3 and multiple of 4. Oh. Yeah, it's just a multiple of 3 and a multiple of... Oh, that's sad. I should have started with it. Okay. That's A and that's D. Woohoo! Okay. You know what? 23 out of 25 in 28 minutes. We take those. So, thanks for watching. Pretty fun. Sad about 23. I felt like I knew what to do, but whatever. I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.